In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams using your iPhone. Whether you're on the go or just prefer handling your scheduling from your mobile device, this tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up a Microsoft Teams meeting with ease. First, let's begin by opening the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone. Once you're inside, navigate to the Meetings section. Here, you'll get an overview of your upcoming schedule, allowing you to see any pre-existing appointments or meetings. This is a great way to ensure you don't double book or overlap with other commitments. When you're ready to create a new meeting, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll see a button labeled New Event. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a new view, aptly named New Event. This is where the details of your meeting come into play. Think about what you want to name your meeting, as the title is essential for clarity. In addition to a title, you'll want to add participants. Here's a handy feature. Teams can fetch the availability of participants within your organization, aiding you in choosing a time that works for everyone. However, it's important to note a limitation if you're dealing with external participants. While testing, I discovered that inviting someone from outside your organization whom you haven't previously interacted with on Teams can be tricky. Teams will suggest existing external users and guests, as well as those within your organization, but it won't allow you to simply input a new, unfamiliar email address for an invitation. This could be an important consideration depending on the participants you need. For meetings intended to be easily accessible to a group, you have the option to host a meeting within a channel. Doing this enables all members of that specific team to join without individual invitations. While scheduling, you should also take advantage of setting the specific time and date, designating if it's a one-time event or a recurring meeting, and deciding on a location. Once all the details are in place and you're satisfied with the meeting setup, simply click Done, located in the upper right corner. Upon doing so, the meeting will be seamlessly added to your calendar. Additionally, a meeting invitation, complete with a link to join the meeting, will instantly be dispatched to the chosen participants. And there you have it. Scheduling a meeting via the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone is an efficient way to organize and manage your professional engagements from anywhere. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider sharing it with others who might benefit. Have a great day and stay connected.